Do you want to say hello to your friends?
Hello.
So, is it good weather today?
No.
Oh, is it not good weather?
Bad weather.
Oh, so what did you decide to do?
Stay inside.
Oh, and did you watch any TV?
Yeah.
What did you watch?
A scary movie.
Scary movie?
Yeah.
Oh, that's scary.
And we watched Onward Bio and the whole thing. And my sister's watching Tinkerbell.
Okay, so we're gonna do another video.
Yeah.
The second one in 2 days. We made the gnocchi.
Yeah, with tomato sauce.
Mm-hmm.
And we had a more, but with pesto. And today we are going to do some of these.
Which is not really Italian, but I think it will do the trick to spend some 20 minutes.
Cook.
We're gonna make a flapjack.
And
So all we need:
what's this?
coconut oil,
Yeah.
Italian honey.
And we need some butter.
So we're gonna use some
Butter.
Vitalife. So that's the honey. That's the butter or coconut oil. Oh, so we don't need that. Just coconut oil and honey. You don't need to buy this. You can just mix your oats, but you know.
There's a raisin right here.
Oh yeah. So we need to melt together your oil, butter, or butter and honey or syrup. Let's get cracking.
I mean cooking, not cracking. Not cracking it.
We're just gonna use one of these mics. Let's put it there. We need 100 grams of that. 100 here on the scale.
It's so hard. We haven't used it.
It goes hard. Put it in.
Boo. Now we are
One.
gonna get some of this.
Yep.
It's wow! I did not know that. That is good.
We need 4 tablespoons.
Okay.
So we need four spoons.
Yes. More.
So let's put it on the hob. We've got an induction
Papa,
hob.
can you
so
move my finger?
it needs to be in the cross.
I was that here. Something like that.
Still needs to melt a little bit more.
We are gonna put it in here and I never ate one. I just ate brownies. Wow, my face is big now, look.
Mm.
That's good.
Really hot, okay?
So that I don't do it.
Yeah! It's too hot for me as well.
Okay, now smell it. Oh. I'm mixing it. Come on. Bad.
Then you mix.
Wait.
Yeah. Like this.
Go back in. Let's put it in.
Shall we move it?
I'm not going to the oven. I'm not going to get out of the oven. I literally can't fit in here. Fit in here.
You can come out. Oh, I guess he's ready. What were you doing in there?
I was hiding
Okay.
from you.
From birds. Mmm. Now we're gonna let it cook. What are you doing? Are you Maleficent?
Yes.
Is this the Maleficent channel then?
No. You're not hanging on still.
Salt, careful. So we're gonna let it cool.
And then you're gonna chop it in first. Leave it till we finish our dinner and then have some of that.
Okay. You wanna say goodbye to your friends?
Bye bye.
And subscribe?
Subscribe.
Subscribe to her channel. Ooh.
Answer.
Okay, we're back
Yeah.
because we got the final product. Cool down. I put it in the fridge so it went a little bit faster. Out and hard.
Put some ice cream on it.
No. Yeah. This is for adults. Uh-huh.
No, I take this one. Put that one.
Let me do it. Should we try one?
Bye-bye.
Mm.
I've never ate one of these before. Oh! I love it. I wish Mummy could try it.
Bye bye.
Bye.